Oh, nice.
Whoa. Oh. Oh.
Nice, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you guys have all felt it, right? We can also see that his toe is curling. Do you see how his big toe is sort of curling to the side there? All right? That shows me right away that he's very tight in here. And that's going to lead to tension in his delta band, okay? So I think we're going to have a lot of tightness on the side of this big toe here. All right? But the whole thing is really jammed in there. So when I'm thinking about what's my plan, this joint here is such an important joint, in my opinion, in the foot. It's one of the most important. But with Shane in particular here, I'm finding that the big toe is very, very tight. I am noticing that his little toe is somewhat curling around there. Whenever I see that again, I'm thinking he's probably got quite a lot of tension on this side of his little toe here. We can see is that some tinea that we've got in there that we got to be a bit careful of?
Little toes curling under. These knuckles are all, this one particularly tight. This one's curling this way. So we got quite a lot going on in this foot here. So, and this joint just like so stiff. This one here, but this one here too. So we can expect some interesting things to come out of here. You like my analysis there?
Oh, golly, I'm freaking terrified now.
What's so funny?
Life.
Let me see.
Oh, you don't want to see this.
I want to see this.
There may be some swear words come out of him. So.
Yep.
Acupressure.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
I don't think the kids want to be around for this.
I could actually stand it.
Oh.
It's all on video here too, by the way.
Yeah. All gonna go on YouTube. Whatever you say may be held against you in a court of YouTube.
Did you try anyway?
Ah.
That actually kind of looks nice.
I'm not sure if that was the word Jordan was thinking in his head.
Trying to be like a lot of birds around here.
You gotta love the sort of commentary in the background from the kids, you know what I mean? Nice.
Ah.
Spectators here.
Ah.
What he's saying is that feels a little bit uncomfortable. But I'm enjoying it nonetheless.
Torturing people.
Ah.
It hurts.
Yes.
If I was on the everything to say everything like blah blah blah.
I'll listen to the words coming out of my mouth.
It's good for him to express himself.
Ah.
Yeah.
When I'm Whoa! Okay, now that hurts. I tried it on myself.
What?
Like he put his nails. Is that torture?
But yeah, no, your toes need a lot of work. You can see how, so you just see how kind of like the joints are all, you know. But we got more mobility now in this big toe, but it took a little bit of persuasion. There was some objections on your part there, but
I think you find pleasure doing this.
I think it's important that you enjoy your work, you know what I mean? It was hard for me to find a job I really enjoyed, you know? I know how good you're going to feel once you get rid of this tension. That's what motivates me, actually.
Actually, that's pretty fucking good right
Yeah. Okay, let's get into this next toe. Because it's your first time, I want to go a little bit easy, you know?
I can call being easy. I say he's like, like you're telling me you're being easy, but you're not being easy.
Well, I just want to take it away you can handle, you know? Because, you know. Yeah. It's going to be a lot of nice comments on YouTube. Yeah.
I told him we're gonna need some earmuffs, but he didn't got none.
Let's give that toe a little rest. That's what I was saying. That's one of his worst joints right in there, so it's going to take some time. You can see I'm just touching him like that. I'm actually not touching you hard, you know? Yeah. It's just like, just moving that joint is like, that'll take some time, but this one's better. See how this one, I'm doing the same. I'm going harder and you're not getting that reaction, you know? I mean, it's still bad, this one, but that one will actually get arthritic if you leave that, you know? And you'll have problems with that as you get older. Big breath.
Once it got to the pinky toe, it hurts.
I think what his comments were that all the toes were hurting.
Yeah.
I think that's what I was understanding from what he was saying.
Well, the pinky toe hurts when you put a lot of pressure. Trust me, I've done it.
Yeah.
I've done it on my pinky toe.
Ha!
Very well, Nanda. How are you feeling? Better?
You can see I'm hardly touching him here. I call it supercharged. He's just really tight. A lot of what I call charge in there, you know, for want of a better word, like trapped energy. The more we get rid of it, the less it'll hurt too.
I hear somebody in fact, there's a lot of swear words over there.
Once we get Shaylee on the table, then we're going to hear some good swearing because she's Australian. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, nice double clicker. Yeah, the little toe is actually going to be kind of uncomfortable.
Just swear it out. Just swear it out.
That's what I was saying when you said you get lower back pain. I was saying I think it's your feet, and I'm now kind of convinced of it. Because your feet are incredibly tight, especially considering you're only, how old are you? 28 or something?
33.
33? Yeah.
I've had a hard life.
Yeah, it shows up here. Well, if we can see if you can get rid of all this tension, it's going to just mean that the rest of your life is going to be a lot better. You don't want to build tension on tension, you know?
You need a hand?
Your mommy's not here, Jordan. Oh my God, is that what you did to me, Brandon?
Yeah, well, I went a little bit harder on you, actually. He's a little bit sensitive. He's tighter than you are. Yeah, he's more messed up. Yeah, no, he's like,
All that tractor running.
oh man, his feet are a disaster. But you know, he's good.
He's more vocal though, guys. Letting it out.
Yeah, that's the good thing. He is more vocal. You were kind of like a little bit restrained. I think you've been taught not to
I don't know how the hell
express
you
your
would say
emotions or something. I don't know.
My friend once told me before I got married, he said you could shoot him in the side of the head with a gun. It had a big hole in the side of the head, and he wouldn't notice. He would notice.